Earlier we discussed about how we find the inverse with the help of Kraut's method and Cholesky's method. Now today we are going to discuss about how we find the inverse of any matrix, any given matrix with the help of Dolittle methods. So here now we are going to solve one numerical example, how we find inverse of a given matrix. Here this one is a given, find the inverse of a matrix. The matrix A is a given 3 2 1 and second row is a 2 3 2 and third row is a 1 2 2. By using decomposition method and take L11 equal L22 equal L33 equal 1, that is Dolittle methods. If this one is also not given, then this one is assumed that if the diagonal element of a lower triangular matrix is a 1, then obviously the method is a what? Method is a Dolittle methods. If the values of a U11, U22, U33 is a 1, then we only able to apply the Kraut's method. So now let us try to solve this problem, how we find the inverse of this matrix, and here we assume that this matrix is a what? This matrix is a non-singular matrix. So here let A equal LU, then A inverse equal LU inverse. Using the property of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, this become U inverse L inverse. So what is our aim? Our aim is to find out the value of first L and U. Once we find the value of L and U, then we find the value of L inverse and U inverse. Once we find the value of U inverse and L inverse, then we multiply U inverse and L inverse in order to find out the value of A inverse. Now since the matrix is a what? Matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So here we write a lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix, 3 cross 3 lower triangular matrix and 3 cross 3 upper triangular matrix. And what is the values of a diagonal element of a lower triangular matrix? Obviously this one is a 1, this one is already given. If this one is not a given, then if we are using the Dolittle method, then obviously we assume that the diagonal element of a lower triangular matrix is a 1. So here what is the value of A? A is a 3 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 2, and this one equal lower triangular matrix. This one is a lower triangular matrix, means a diagonal element of our lower triangular matrix is a 1 1 0 0, and this one is a L21 1 0 L31 L32, and this one is a 1. This one is a lower triangular matrix of a 3 cross 3 into upper triangular matrix U11 U12 U13 and 0 0 U22 U23 0 U33. Now in order to find out the values of means a lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix, we multiply L and U. So here this one equal 3 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 2. Now first row first column, if we multiply this one, then first element become, if we multiply first row first column, matrix multiplication row by column, first row 1 0 0 multiplied by the U11 0 0, then this become U11. First row second column, this become U12, and first row third column, this one is a U13. Second row first column, this become L21 U11, then 1 into 0, all other term is a 0. Second row second column, then L21 U12 plus U22. This one is a second row second column. Second row third column, we multiply element by element, second row third column, then this become L21 U13 plus U23, U23. Now third row, first column, this become L31, U11, third row, second column, L31, U12 plus L32, U22, and third row, third column, this become L31, U13, U13 plus second element of a column, L32, U23 plus U33. Now we compare left hand side and right hand side, element by element comparison, because both matrices are equal, then their elements are also equal. So what is the value of a U11? So U11 be the 3. So here what is the value of a U11? U11 be the 3, and here U11, U12, U13, we are able to find out the 3, 2 and 1. 3, 2 and 1. So U12, 3, 2, U13, 3, 2, 1. So we are able to find out what? 3, 2, 1, U11, U12 and U13. Now to find out the value of a L21, U11 is a 2. So what is the value of a U11? U11 is a 3. So what is the value of a L21? So if we compare this one, is this element by this one, then what will happen in the next phase? So this become L21, U11 equal what? Equal here, this become 2. This become 2. Then we have a value of a U11. Then what is the value of a L21? L21 equal U11. Sorry, not a U11. 2 by U11. 2 by U11, and value of a U11 is a what? 3. So this one is a 2 by 3. Similarly, if we compare the L21, U12, U22 by this element, then this become 3, L21, U12 plus what? Plus U22 this one equal what? This one equal here, this one equal 3, this one equal 3. So here we have a value of a L21, L21 is a 2 by 3 from here, and what is the value of a U12? U12 is a 2, and plus U22 equal 3. So this become U22 with a 3 minus 4 by 3, and this U22 become 5 by 3. Okay. Similarly we compare the next term, means L21, U13 plus U23 equal, third element is what? 2. Third element is a 2. So what is the value of a L21? This one is a L21. Basically this one is a L21, U13 plus U23 is a 2. Once we check this one, L21, U13 plus U23 equal 2. Okay. So now putting the value of L21 is a 2 by 3. U13 is a 1 plus U23 equal 2. Then U23 with a 2 minus 2 by 3, and U23 with a what? 3, 2 is 6 minus 2 means 4 by 3. Similarly, if we compare the third one, L31, U11, then this become 1, L31, U11 equal 1, and what is the value for U11? U11 is a 3. So L31 into 3, this one equal 1. So what is the value of L31? L31 is a 1 by 3. In a similar manner, we find all the values by comparing L31 U12 plus L32 U22 by the 2, and this one means what procedure here we follow. First we compare the element of a first row, then we compare the element of a second row, then we compare the element of a third row, because if you closely observe, to find out the value of L21 there is a need of a value of U11. If you try to find out a random value, means you try to compare L31 U11, then this one equal to 1, then be unable to find out the value of L31 U11, because there is a need of a value for U11. So what is the correct procedure? First we compare the element of a first row, then we compare the element of a second row. Then when we try to find out the other unknown values of a second row, then there is a need of a values of a first row. So due to this reason, only what we follow first we find the unknown values of a first row, then we find the unknown values of a second row, then we find the unknown values of a third row. So in this way we able to find out the values of a L11, L12, L13. L11 is basically 1, so L21 and L31 and L32, U11, U12, U13, not U11, U21, U22 and U31, U32 and U33. So here, in order to save the time, already we write the values of a L and U. Once we find the lower and upper triangular matrix, means all the values of a lower and upper triangular matrix, then we put the values here L21, L31, L32, U11, U12, U13, U22, U23 and U33. Then this one is a what? This one is a value of a L and U. Now in order to find out the A inverse, there is a need to find out a value of a U inverse and L inverse. Now we try to find out the value of a L inverse. Here this one is a value of a L, this one is a value of a U. So once we find the values of a L and U, then we try to find out the L inverse. So how we find the L inverse? Let as we know that the inverse of a lower triangular matrix is a lower triangular matrix, and inverse of a upper triangular matrix is a upper triangular matrix. So here we assume that let inverse of L is L inverse equal what? Here we assume that x11 0 0, x21 x22 0, x31 x32 x33 be the inverse of a L. Inverse of a L. As we say that this one is a lower triangular matrix, then the inverse of a lower triangular matrix is also a lower triangular matrix. So we know that the multiplication of a matrix and inverse of a matrix become identity matrix. Now since L inverse equal what? L inverse equal I. So here we write the L is a what? L is a 1 0 0, 2 by 3, 1 0, 1 by 3, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5 and 1. And inverse of this one is a what? Inverse of this one is a x11 0 0, x21 x22 0 and x31 x32 and x33. This one equal what? This one equal identity matrix, and order of identity matrix is a 3 cross 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we multiply row by column and compare with the right hand side, means identity matrix. So if we multiply this one, then what will happen here? First one, then this become first row first column, this become x1 1, first row second column, this becomes 0, first row third column, this become, if we write x1 1, this one is a 0 and this one is a 0. Now second row first column, this become 2 by 3 x1 1 plus x2 1. Second column, this become x2 2, x2 2. Second row third column, this become 0, this becomes 0. And third row first column, this become 1 by 3 x1 1 plus 4 by 5 x2 1 plus x3 1. And third row second column, this become 4 by 5 x2 2, 4 by 5 x2 2 plus x3 3. Third row third column, then this become x3 3. This one equal what? This one equal 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now if we try to write here compare the values of a left hand side and right hand side. So what is the value of a x1 1? The value of a x1 1 is a 1. Value of a x2 2 is a what? X2 2 is a 1, and value of a x3 3, this one is also a 1. Now if we compare this elements, means 2 by 3 x1 1 plus x2 1 equal to what? Equal to 0. And we have a value of a x1 1. So 2 by 3 x1 1 plus x2 1 equal to, here we put the value of x1 1. So x1 1. So what is the value of x1 1? x1 1 is a what? x1 1 is a 1 plus x2 1. This one equal to 0, then what is the value of x2 1? x2 1 is a minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Similarly, if we write this one x1 1, x2 1, x3 1, then be able to find out what? Be able to find out the value of a x3 1. So 1 by 3 x1 1 plus 4 by 5 x2 1 plus x3 1, this one equal what? This one equals 0. This one equals 0 because this one and this one. So we have a value of x1 1. So this become 1 by 3 into 1 plus 4 by 5. What is the value of x2 1? x2 1 is a minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 plus x3 1 equal to 0. So this become 1 by 3 and minus 8 by 15 plus x3 1 equal to 0. So if we simplify this one, then what will happen? If we simplify this one, then what will happen here? This become what? This become x3 1, this become 15 and this become 5 minus 8 plus x3 1 equal to 0, then this become minus 3 by 15 plus x3 1 equal to 0. Similarly, x3 1 equal what? x3 1 equal 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So this one is a what? This one is a value of a x3 1. Similarly, we compare this one x2 1 if we compare what? If we compare this element, means 4 by 5 x2 2 plus x3 3 equal to 0. So we have a value of x22. So what is the value of x22? x22 is a 1. So what is the value of x33? x33 become minus 4 by 5. Minus 4, 5, 5. So what is the value of x33? x33 is a 1. So we able to find out what? We able to find out values of what? Values of all the values, means here if we increase the size of this one. So what will happen here? 1 0 0, be able to find out x11, x21, x22, x31, x32, x33. So here we find all the values. This one is x11, x22, x33, x21, x33 and x31. Similarly, we able to find out the values of a u inverse. So here, how we find the value of a u inverse? We have a value of a u. We have a value of a u. What is the value of a u? We have a value of a u. U equal what? U equal, we have already written the value of a u. U is a what? U is a, here, what is the value of a u? Value of a u is a, value of a u, if we write here, the value of a u is a here. This one is a value of a u. So if we write the value of a u, u equal, sorry, the value of a u equal, the value of a u is a 3 2 1, 3 2 1 0 0 0, and all other element with a 5 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 4 by 3, and next element is a 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. So this one is a value of a u. So in order to find out the u inverse, as we know that the inverse of a upper triangular matrix is again a upper triangular matrix. So let u inverse equal y11, y12, y13, 0 0, u2, y22, y23, 0, y33, u inverse with the inverse of matrix, inverse of matrix u, inverse of matrix u. Then we know that u into u inverse, then u into u inverse equal what? Identity matrix. So here we write u, u is a what? U is a 3 2 1 0, 5 by 3, 4 by 3, 0 0, 3 by 5, and u inverse with the y11, y12, y13, y0, y22, y23, 0 0, and y33, y33. Now this one equal to what? This one equal to the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So if we multiply this one by this one, then what is the equivalent matrix? The matrix become 3y first row first column, 3y11, first row second column, 3y11, 1 2 plus 2y22, first row third column, 3y13 plus 2y23 plus y33. Second row first column, this one is a 0. Second row second column, 0 into y12, this one is a 5 by 3, 5 by 3 y22, and second row third column, this become 5 by 3 y23, second row third column y23 plus 4 by 3 y33. y33. Third row first column 0, third row second column 0, third row third column, this become third row third column become 3 by 5 y33, y33. This one equal what? This one equal 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So as in lower triangular matrix, we started from the first row, comparing the first row with the first row, but in order to find out U inverse, we compare the last row by the last row of our identity matrix, because when we try to find out the value for y23, then there is a need of a value for y33. So there is a need of a value of a y33. So first we compare the last row by the last row of our identity matrix. So what is the value of a y33? So if here we write in a next page, or in this page also, in a next page, 3 by 5 y33 equal 1. So what is the value for y33? y33 equal 5 by 3. y33 equal 5 by 3. This one, 5 by 3. Similarly, what is the value of a second row second column? y22 is a 3 by 5. y22 is a 3 by 5. y22, here we compare 5 by 3 y22, 5 by 3 y22, this one equal 1. This implies that y22 is equal 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Now we compare the third element, 5 by 3 y23, 5 by 3 y23 plus y33 equal what? Equal to 0. So what is the value? 4 by 3. 4 by 3. This one is a 4 by 3. So how we find the value for y23? By using the value for y33. And what is the value for y33? The value for y33 is a 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 y23 plus 4 by 3. What is the value for y33? This one is a 5 by 3. So what is the value for this one? This one equal to 0. So y23 equal minus 20 by 9. 20 by 9. This one is a 5 fourths. This one is a 5 by 3 and into 3 by 5. So this one is a 3 and this one is a 4. This one is a minus 4 by 3. So this one is a value of a y23. Similarly, we compare the third row. Then what is the value for 3y1? 3y1 equal 1. So 3y1 equal 1. So what is the value for 3y1? 1 equal 1. This implies that what is the value for y11? y11 equal 1 by 3. y11 equal 1 by 3. Similarly, second row, second element, by second one, 312 plus 2y22. 3 y12 plus 2y22. This one is a 3y12 plus 2y22 equal to 0. y22 equal to 0. So we have a value of a y22. So 3y12 equal minus 2, y22 be the 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So y12 equal minus 2 means a minus 6 by 5 into 1 by 3. This one is a minus 3 by minus 2 by, this one is a minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Similarly, if we compare the last elements, 3y13 plus 2 plus 1, y13 plus y23 plus y33, y13 plus y23 plus y33, this one equal 3, 2, 1. I think this one is a 3, 2, 1. This one equal what? This one equal to 0. So here we write this one equal to 0, and again put the value of a y33. The value of a y33 is a what? The value of a y33 is a 5 by 3. So this one is a 5 by 3 plus 2 into, what is the value of a y23? We have a value of a y23. Y23 is a minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3, 3y1 by 3. So if we simplify this one, 3y1, 3, and this become what? This become minus 8 by 3 plus 5 by 3 equal to 0. Then 3y13 minus 8 plus 5, this become minus 3 by 3 means minus 1. This one equal to 0. Then y13 equal 1 by 3. So we able to find out a what? We able to find out the value of a y11, y11 and y21, y12, y12, sorry, y11, then y12, y12, y13, y21, y21, where is a y21? Not a y21, y22. Be able to find out the value of a y22. This one is a value of a y22. Then y23. Be able to find out the value of a y23, y23, y23. Then be able to find out the value of a y33. So this one is a value of a y33. So we able to find out all the values of a inverse, U inverse. So here we already write the values of a L inverse and U inverse. So this one is a value of a 1, 1, 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 4 minus 4 by 5. And this one is a 1 by 3, 3 by 5 and 5 by 3. So one thing that I here need to mention here means as we know that when we try to find out the inverse of any upper triangular matrix, the diagonal elements become reciprocal of a U. So in order to check that either we calculate the correct one or not. So what is the value of a U? U is a 3, 5 by 3 and 3 by 5. Here diagonal element is a 3, 5 by 3 and 3 by 5. So in an inverse what will happen? This become 1 by 3, this become reciprocal of this one 3 by 5 and this one is a 5 by 3. So in order to check either we calculate the correct one or not. So this one is a diagonal element is a 1 by 3, 3 by 5 and 5 by 3. So how we find the A inverse? So A inverse become what? A inverse equal U inverse into L inverse. So we multiply these two, 1, 0, 0, minus 2 by 3, 1, 0, 1 by 5, minus 4 by 5, 1, and L inverse is a what? This one is a L inverse, sorry, this one is a U inverse. So what we will do here, we write what? U inverse first. We write a U inverse, this one is a 1 by 3, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 3, second row with a 0, 0 here element, this one is a 3 by 5, this one is a minus 4 by 3, this one is a 0, this one is a 5 by 3, and this one multiplied by the L inverse 1, 0, 0 and minus 2 by 3, 1, 0, 1 by 5, minus 4 by 5, 1. So this become U inverse and L inverse. Now we multiply first row by the first column, then first row by the second column, first row by the third column, then be able to find out the values of a A inverse. A inverse. So it's not a very difficult task, it's a very easy to find out the multiplication of a two matrix. So if we multiply this row by this column, then be able to find out what? Then be able to find out this element. So this element is a 1 by 3 into 1 plus minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. This one is the first element. Second element is a what? First row, second column. Second element is a minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 3 into 4 by 5 plus minus 4 by 5 into 1 by 3. This one is a second element. Third element is a first row, last column. This one is a 1 by 3. Similarly, we calculate second row, first column. Then this one is a 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 5. This one is a second row, first column. Second row, second column, then element become what? Second row, second column, then this becomes 3 by 5, 3 by 5, this element into 1 plus minus 4 by 3 plus minus 4 by 3 into 4 by 5, and second row, last column, this one is a minus 4 by 3. Similarly, third row, first column, this one is a 5 by 3 into 1 by 5. Third row, second column, this one is a 5 by 3 into minus 4 by 5. Third row, third column, this one is a 5 by 3, 5 by 3, 5 by 3. So, this one is the values of A inverse. After simplification, what is the value? This one is the value. A inverse equal 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 4 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. So, you may also write this one, A inverse equal 1 by 3 is a common from 1 by 3 with a common in this matrix. So, 1 by 3 we come outside. So, this becomes 2 minus 2, 1, minus 2, 5, 4, 1, minus 4, 5. So, this one is the inverse of a matrix A. This one is the inverse of a matrix A. This one is the answer. This one is the answer. So, what is the summary of this lecture? To find out the inverse of any non-singular matrix using the LU decomposition methods, either Dolittle's method or by Kraut's method or by Cholesky's method. So, if we try to solve the matrix A by the Dolittle methods, first of all we decompose the matrix A into a lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix, and in order to find out a unique values of a lower triangular and upper triangular matrix in a Dolittle method, we assume that the diagonal element of a lower triangular matrix equal 1. Then by comparing the left hand side and right hand side by multiplying the lower and upper triangular matrix, then we by comparing be able to find out the element of a lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Once we find the lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix, then we find the L inverse and U inverse, L inverse, and using the property of a inverse of a triangular matrix is again a triangular matrix, then we assume that the L inverse is again a another lower triangular matrix, and we multiply L into L inverse, then this one equal to the identity matrix, and similarly U into U inverse equal identity matrix. Then we simplify in case of a lower means a lower triangular matrix. First we compare the first row by the first row of a identity element, and in order to find out the U inverse we compare the last row first, then second last row, then third last row. In a term of a means a substitution, you may say in order to find out a L inverse we perform the forward substitution, and in order to find out a U inverse we perform the backward substitution. Once we find the values of a U inverse and L inverse, then multiplying the U inverse by the L inverse, then we find the value of a A inverse. So, this one is all about this lecture. One thing here I want to mention, I want to focus means in order to check either we find a correct values of a U and L, we can use the means property of U inverse and L inverse. As we know that the inverse of any lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix, the diagonal elements become a reciprocal of that elements. Means if in a U the diagonal element is a 2, 3, 5, then U inverse it must be this one is a 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. So this one is all about this lecture. I hope you enjoy this lecture. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.